Some users have been coming across the no internet access error on their systems. When you get this error, you can still using Chrome to connect to the internet, but some application like Google Driver, Microsoft Store, etc. can't connect to the internet. Regardless of the cause, in this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the error code mentioned above, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Troubleshooter Internet Connections. Open Settings, then navigate to System. Scroll down and select Troubleshoot. Next, select Other Troubleshooter. Now, select Run on Internet Connections. Follow me step by step. Once done, restart your computer and try to connect. Method 2. Try Update Network Driver or Rollback Old Driver. Navigate Device Manager. Expand the network adapters. Look for your driver that was installed. Right-click and update. First, try Update Last Version. If not available, then try choose an old driver and use it. Method 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings. Under the Advanced Network Settings section, click the Network Reset option. Click the Reset Now button. Click the Yes button. That's it, guys. I assume this guide was helpful to you.